feeling, maybe you feel a rock, you decide to move into the rock. What's the group going to do?
Travel forward?
Yep.
And
Remember now, this is all going to count and move people. As the group turns, go down that way, then you'll shuffle, as you put it down, you're now ready to go back. So who's in that upstream?
And the whole time you're feeling with your feet, you're pushing things out. Okay, we're around.
Clear.
Clear.
Yeah, alright, go forward.
Okay, now you got to the point where you're in the middle of the river and you can't get
Relax.
there's a hole or there's a snag or there's something that you're not comfortable about it, right? So what I want you to do
Just remember though.
we're gonna catch around. So but once we all keep this exercise, right? Yeah, no. Okay. So what we're gonna do is you're gonna circle around, and now you become the top end.
So just loop around.
You want to stay as close as possible. So if I'm caterpillaring, right? It's kind of like this. You stand really tight. Now what we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, we've got to the end, we're all good, and then we're going to...
how long could you be expected to hold that?
You go halfway and then go. So you start to see now, by choice of clothing and everything like that, really comes into play.